Have you ever wondered how a page can respond to user action? Like when you click on a button or when you press on a key, that's where JavaScript action comes into picture. Let's discuss what exactly JavaScript events are. These are events that allow you to create dynamic and interactive web page. I would say events are actions that occur in a web page and respond to user action and changes the content of a page dynamically. Let's say I want to display a time on button click. So I add a button, button, and then say on click. I'll say document dot get element by ID. I have to pass an ID. I'll do that by creating a new HTML element dot inner HTML equals date, and I would say the text, the time is, let's see how it looks on the page. It's firing, cannot set a property of null, setting in our HTML. So it needs a element to display. So I'll have a p tag, then I say ID demo, put it in here, save it and refresh it. Now click to see. When I click on this button, it will trigger an event which is basically on click event and finds this demo and assigns date to this ID or p tag. Let's see how it's gonna work. This is how events work in JavaScript. There are different types of events: on change event, on click event, on mouse over event, on mouse out event, on key down. There's so many. On load. So instead of writing this here, I can call a function and create a function btn click, then just do this here. So once then you just call this the way it looks. Let's refresh this one and like we're getting the same out. We can do it this way as well. Basically we created a button click function and we assign that to on click, or we're calling that button click in on click. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any video which are helping to learn coding and become a successful programmer. And I'll see you in next video.